I'm at Tokyo Central Supermarket, West Covina, California. Tokyo Central is one of the major USA Japanese supermarket chains, including both Tokyo Central and Marukai Market. Tokyo Central operates 14 locations at the state of California and Hawaii. Tokyo Central is famous for many choices of hot deli and bento. Although item price increased, I buy several Japanese-style cooking ingredients like Kombu Soy Sauce, Sesames Dressing, Soba Dried Noodle, snacks, and drink to enjoy at home. Kewpie mayonnaise. This is the most famous Japanese style mayonnaise in the world. It's by Kewpie company. It's over 100 years old, and it is savory mayonnaise. It contains no sugar, but it has MSG in there. So if you are allergic to MSG, don't buy it. This cover it out. That's the army foil. So you take this out, take it out, cover it back, and open. Here, open it, squeeze. To make one egg sandwich. We need 2 boiled eggs to make egg sandwich. So I'm gonna smash the eggs. You can use the spoon, or later on we can use potato masher. Let's use the spoon first. So smash it, smash it, smash the egg. And now I can use the potato masher. So after smash the egg, we're gonna put into the black pepper. So we're gonna put some black pepper in there. I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons Japanese style mayonnaise. 1, 2. And it is savory enough, so don't add salt. Mix well. Before I put an egg salad, I spread some cream cheese on bread. Put some egg salad on top of the bread. Egg salad. Spread it out. Spread it out. This have crust. That's a great smell. That's good. Savory taste egg salad. This is a special Japanese style mayonnaise. Excellent. Enjoy this. This is Japanese melon drink. Excellent for summertime. I'll make rice bowl. It's good for the summertime. Here are the ingredients. This is rice seasoning mix. This is the steamed white rice. This is rice bowl maker. And this is seaweed. First, heat it up the white rice in microwave. Use wet paper towel. Make sure it is hot. We need to use the hot white rice. And then put this rice seasoning mix on top of the white rice and mix it up. To taste this one is the seasoning on top of the rice, and this one is the seasoning mixed with the rice to make a rice bowl. That's good stuff. The seasoning is mixed very well with the white rice, and that's excellent taste with the seaweed. That's very good. For compared to stew, that is rice bowl tastes better. This is soba. It is Japanese buckwheat noodle. It's very chewy, and you can buy this in Japanese supermarket. It's made in Japan. Japanese style cold noodle for summertime. Here are the ingredients. This is Japanese soba. This is seaweed. This is Kyubi, deep roasted sesame dressing. And this is Kombu flavor soy sauce. This is cold soba. That is the cold noodle for the summertime. Excellent. And here are the different sauces and the ingredients. This one is the cold soba. And this is Kombu soy sauce. And this is the deep fried sesame dressing only. And this one is mixed the Kombu soy sauce and deep fried sesame dressing together. And this one is the Kombu soy sauce with deep fried sesame dressing and sweet and chili sauce, 3 together. And this is the seaweed and this green onion. Those 2 must go with the cold soba. And we're gonna try different dressing to see how they taste. The soba, green onion, and seaweed. And try this Kombu soy sauce. The soy sauce a little bit salty. This is the cold soba, and also with the seaweed, green onion. And try this sauce. This is Kyubi, deep sesame dressing. That's a good sesame flavor with the cold soba. That's good. Try this one. This one is the soba, green onion, and seaweed. This sauce is the Kombu soy sauce with sesame dressing together. So they have a good sesame flavor in there. Very good. This one is the soba, green onion, and seaweed. And this sauce is the Kombu soy sauce, sesame dressing, and sweet and chili sauce, all 3 together. On top of this, good, excellent. I like this sauce better. Actually, I like this one the best because it got extra spicy and sweet flavor in there. Plenty of flavor, excellent taste. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.